Gotta go, gotta dream something you want to do. Then there's a grammar just for you. In order to, for the purpose of, that's the meaning of Use a dictionary form, verb plus a many action. Now go ahead, do one thing to achieve another. 日本語と日本文化を勉強するために来ました。I came to Japan in order to study Japanese language and Japanese culture. That's the pattern. Go first, action second. ためにin order to, for the purpose of, gotta dream, take a step. That's the power of ためにdo this now, reach that goal. Action and purpose working together. ために Need some money for a big adventure. 彼は旅行に行くためにアルバイトをしています。He works a part-time job in order to travel. Want to listen to old records. 昔のレコードを聴くためにレコードプレイヤーを買ったんだ。Bought a record player in order to hear them. First comes the goal, then what you do. That's ためにin order to, for the purpose of, gotta dream, take a step. That's the power of ためにevery action, every plan, moving toward the goal ahead. ために One important rule, the same person does both actions, and the goal must be something you